Hey, you guys, it's your girl Jade, and welcome to another episode of They Say Using Discernment. So, um, this episode, they say, we will be touching on treat others how you want to be treated. The golden rule. Yes, everyone should know this rule. I'm sure we all grew up learning to treat others how you want to be treated, but it seems like it's gotten a little taboo uh, throughout the ages. Seems to me that if everybody treated the other person, their reflections, as they would want to be treated themselves, then there will probably be a lot of more mercy. There will probably be a lot of more compassion in the world. A lot of people more connected on more connected with how they feel and how others feel, and how that is actually a reflection of them. So, treat others how you want to be treated. I definitely think that this is a saying that should stick around, and whoever they are who created it, well, really, you didn't create it because it's one of the 10 Commandments. But this is definitely using your discernment. I say keep it. Treat others how you want to be treated.